Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get drawing ideas. To begin, cultivate a habit of keen observation. Your everyday environment is a rich source of inspiration, offering countless subjects. Always keep a small sketchbook and a pencil handy. This allows you to quickly jot down visual notes or sketch a fleeting moment before it disappears. Pay close attention to the unique shapes, varied textures, and the way light interacts with objects around you. Next, actively brainstorm to unlock new concepts. Try word association. Pick a word and list everything that comes to mind, then draw from that list. Many free online prompt generators offer fresh themes and challenges, providing a great starting point. A powerful technique is to combine two completely unrelated objects or ideas, like a flying teapot or a treehouse in space, to spark truly original compositions. To further expand your creative well, experiment with different mediums and styles. If you usually draw with pencil, try charcoal, ink, or pastels to see how they influence your approach. Explore various drawing styles, from detailed realism to expressive abstract forms. Challenge yourself with timed exercises, perhaps a 20-minute sketch of a complex object, to loosen up and develop faster idea generation. Finally, connect with your personal experiences and passions. Drawing subjects that resonate deeply with you will infuse your work with authenticity and emotion. Reflect on your daily life, your dreams, and your memories. These are invaluable sources for unique and meaningful content. Maintain an idea journal to document your thoughts, sketches, and progress, fostering continuous growth in your artistic journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.